Nice to meet you. We are HISAKA. In a nutshell, HISAKA is a company that manufactures industrial machinery. So, for many people, this is our first introduction. What HISAKA does is create products that support daily life and society. Clothing, food, housing, pharmaceuticals, the environment, and energy. Alongside everyday safety, comfort, and convenience, you'll find our pioneering Japanese and world-first technologies and products. Supporting today, creating tomorrow. That is HISAKA. HISAKA's beginnings started with stainless steel products. Founded on stainless steel pipe processing, HISAKA has built two core strengths: stainless steel fabrication and fluid heat and pressure control to create unique machinery. From Japan's first dyeing machine to the first plate heat exchanger and the first ball valve in Japan. For over 80 years since our founding, we have delivered products backed by unique technologies, all serving essential roles in society. All of this is based on our core philosophy, the HISAKA mind. Central to this is our motto of sincerity or magokoro. United by this spirit, our entire workforce embraces new challenges without ceasing. HISAKA is built on three main segments that began with Japanese first innovations. First, our heat exchanger segment, providing thermal solutions centered on plate-type heat exchangers. We focus on stable and efficient energy supply, accelerating efforts toward a decarbonized society. Second, our process engineering segment, supplying top market share products to the food, pharmaceutical, and dyeing industries in Japan. As a trusted engineering partner, we stand by our customers and contribute to industrial development. Third, our valve segment, where we steadfastly pursue top performance and quality, boldly innovating for the future. Our customized special-purpose ball valves meet diverse customer needs, playing key roles in fluid control across many industries. These three core segments are carried out at two main sites, including the manufacturing base for our heat exchanger and valve segments. At our Kunoike plant, we integrate the latest technologies into our equipment and processes, building advanced production lines for high-level manufacturing. Meanwhile, our Ikoma plant, opened in January 2024 as the manufacturing base for the process engineering segments, produces equipment for the food, pharmaceutical, and dyeing industries using cutting-edge production lines. We also drive R&D there, aimed at developing new businesses and products that help solve social challenges. HISAKA's greatest treasure is our people, constantly embracing firsts and pushing boundaries, aiming higher, reaching wider, delving deeper. That enthusiasm, breadth of knowledge, and depth of expertise come together in our plus-type human, leading the way. We were founded to create a place where everyone can work securely for the long term. At HISAKA, we value our employees' health as the source of our vitality. This commitment is recognized as we have been certified as a leading company in health and productivity management. We are also taking on new ventures looking ahead to our 100th anniversary in 2042. Simply having our unique, technology-driven products succeed in industry alone doesn't truly mean we are serving society. Our goal is a future where HISAKA's proud technological capabilities help solve societal challenges. Toward our centennial in 2042, we are striving to address challenges in energy, water, and food. Through environmentally friendly products, new business development, and an emphasis on ESG and SDGs, we will contribute to building a sustainable society. Hisaka's strength is expanded by our partner strength. Guided by our business creed, taking the root among the world, Hisaka has been providing products worldwide since the 1960s. We aim to deliver even more products to even more countries and regions. To help solve social challenges and meet increasingly sophisticated needs, our group companies are indispensable. Hisaka's power comes from uniting the collective strength of the entire Hisaka Group. Hisaka is right there, alongside daily safety, comfort, and convenience. Our people inherit the DNA of Magokoro, a sincere heart, weaving a vibrant tapestry of energetic manufacturing. Striving for a sustainable future, Hisaka will continue to forge new paths for tomorrow.